In today's video, we're going to review the Bedding Craft white cotton curtains. They're available in many different colors and sizes to match your living room, office, or bedroom space. It's 100% caddy textured heavy cotton, and it's got reverse bathtub tops, which means you don't even see the rod. Each set contains 2 curtain panels. Stay tuned for the whole video. On today's video, we're going to take a look at these white Khaki Slub curtains that are farmhouse drapes. And if you look really closely, you can see these tiny little holes. That means that they are not really sheer, but they are also not 100% darkening. However, you'll definitely not be able to see anybody inside the room from the outside when you hang these. This is 100% cotton, machine washed separately in cold water, gentle cycle, do not bleach, warm iron if needed. Now these will shrink up to 6 inches if you just stick them in a dryer. So I would say do not stick them in a dryer, just kind of hang dry, or our option, steam clean these. And this is the opening for your rods. You can see that you will not be able to see the rod, unlike the grommet curtains where you do, because the rod is going to go behind here, and this is acting like a belt to make sure that you don't actually see the rod. So let's hang these. Let's replace those old ones with the grommets because we like the look without the grommets. All right, so we have just hung it, and I'm going to show you. See, you can't see the rod. Here's what they look like. So you gotta kind of vary. Do you like that look or do you like that look? And we definitely prefer that look. So you can see that you barely make out my hand. So if you're a foot away, no one's gonna be able to see inside. So do I recommend these? Absolutely. They're super beautiful. Like the material and the linen is so nice. But check your measurements and we'll see you guys in the next one.